Samsung is back with the most refined foldable series yet, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel Get Assist, and let's get to know what is new, what we should be excited about. So let's get started. Let's start with the big one, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Believe it or not, it is the most thinnest and lightest among all the foldable series of Samsung. It's fold down to just 8.9 mm and weighs 215 grams. 6.5-inch outer screen and 8.0-inch inner display. Both have dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz up to 2600 nits brightness. Samsung has also worked upon users' feedback, so the crease is less visible than ever and the bezels are slimmer. Speaking of its build quality, it is built upon the new Armor Flex hinge and ceramic glass too, making it more durable. And yes, finally an IP48 rating protected it even from light to heavy rain. Now coming to the performance part, it is powered by Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 for Galaxy with up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. It has a new 200 megapixel main sensor like the S25 Ultra, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. So here are the pros for this phone. It is great for productivity and multitasking. It has the best camera in the foldable series yet. And on the greater look, it is premium and light. But there is no S Pen support this time. And also the 4400 mAh battery may struggle on long and intensive days. Now let's talk about Z Flip 7. This is for those who love style, convenience and a little flex in tech. The new version has a bigger 4.1 flex window cover display. Inside there is tall 6.9 AMOLED screen at 120 Hz. The phone is even thinner with just 6.5 mm thickness when open and folds flat at 13.7 mm. It has Exynos 2500 in most regions and comes with 12 GB RAM standard. Plus the Armor aluminum frame and hinge make it even more stronger. However, the battery capacity is 4300 mAh, which is more efficient than that of Flip 6. Overall, it is super compact and stylish. Comes with fun, socializing and AI enhancement. The downside is the camera has no big changes. It is similar to that of Flip 6. So if you are a multitasker or a content creator, Fold 7 can be your ultimate choice. But if you are into a stylish or a pocket-friendly phone, then Flip 7 will be your flip around your pocket. So Fold or Flip 7, what are you vibing around this year? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have found this helpful, do like, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.